What's up guys? In this tutorial I will show you how to divide one track into multiple tracks in Audacity. This will give you the option to only export one part of the track, or this might help you editing. In any case, open up the software and import the track you want to divide. There are a few ways to cut an audio file, but the easiest is just to copy and paste the content you need. Highlight the section you want to cut out and use the shortcut Ctrl+C to copy it. Click below so that no track is selected and then use the shortcut Ctrl+V to paste it. As you can see, this works pretty well. If you're on a Mac, then the shortcuts will be Command+C and V. Or you can select the Edit tab. Here are all of the options you need. Now if you want to export one specific track you copied from the audio file, then highlight it and go to File, Export Audio. This will only save the highlighted section. You can also export every track separately with one action. Go back to File and choose Export Multiple. Here you can simply export every track individually. This can be very useful depending on what your aim is. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.